I'd rather conjure some ice cream instead of coffee. It should be unusual ice cream, the one I could use. An ice cream bar which could keep my stuff. Trace a metallic box of the appropriate shape and size on a brown foam rubber sheet. Cut out 2 details. Cut the same details out of a pink foam rubber sheet. Cover the box edges with white acrylic paint. Attach pink details to the inside. Hot glue the brown foam rubber to the outside of the box. Attach an ice cream stick. Paint the cool glue white. Cut melted glaze out of the second piece of the pink foam rubber sheet and attach it on top of the chocolate glaze. Add colorful sprinkles on top, and the delicious ice cream is ready. It's a special recipe. I'm going to keep my makeup brushes in it. Such an awesome ice cream will never melt. Meanwhile, my makeup brushes are not that simple either, because I need special makeup brushes for my amazing ice cream bar, bright and edible. We will need a set of makeup brushes. Cut out the brushes. Separate the top from the handle with a heated knife. Knead white sugar paste, adding black food coloring. Make brush handles from sugar paste. Attach them to the brushes using edible glue. Apply this glue to the handle and cover it with bright sprinkles. I turn the candy my friend is holding into an edible makeup brush. Try it! Bite the handle. It's edible! You can have a snack with this makeup brush in case your makeup takes too much time. And you can correct your eyebrows at the same time. Sweet and beautiful. My friend is sitting on a bench enjoying her Chupa Chups. It's time to prank her. I've got a candy too, but it's no simple thing. Take off a lollipop wrapper. You can eat the candy. We need only the wrapper. Take a ball-shaped lip gloss with a long applicator cap. Hot glue the wrapper to the lip gloss. I unscrew the stick off my Chupa Chups, but there is lip gloss in it instead of a candy. I apply it to my lips. I feel like a candy. My friend is disappointed. Her candy is quite plain. She can't put it on her lips, but it definitely tastes better. Blondie reads an interesting magazine. I also want to know everything about the lives of celebrities and read a horoscope, but Blondie doesn't share the information. Okay, I will distract her with something else. For example, with my lovely macaroon. Make an air-dry clay ball. Press it a bit and cut out a thick cookie. Make 2 identical details. Press a skewer against the edge to make a deepening. Dampen the clay with water to smooth it out and make it more flexible. Make a sponge-looking layer on the bottom using a toothpick. Make it look like a macaroon cream filling. Repeat for the second detail. Join the 2 halves with small metallic hinges. Color the macaroon with acrylic paint of the appropriate shades. Make a hole inside for a makeup filling. Put in concealer. Fill the gap with hot glue. When cool, paint the glue. I prepare a knife and a fork. My trick works! Blondie loves sweets way more than magazines. She swaps with me, but once she scrutinizes the macaroon, she understands it is not edible. There is concealer inside the macaroon instead of cream filling. On the other hand, you can correct your makeup quickly and easily. My friend adores Oreos. She has got a pack and wants to share it with me. There is no need to do that. I've got my own Oreo, limited issue with makeup inside. Cut an Oreo wrapper in half. Cover them with clear tape. Cut 2 strips out of a blue foam rubber sheet. Join them with a white zipper. Attach the Oreo wrapper halves with their tops towards the zipper. Cut off the corners of the strips and triangles at the ends of the zipper. Fold and hot glue the makeup bag. Blondie takes chocolate cookies out of her Oreo pack, and I take lip gloss out of my Oreo makeup bag. My friends will certainly be amazed with this makeup bag, and I will conquer the title of the most honorable sweet tooth. I take a few real cookies while Blondie is examining my makeup bag. She doesn't mind. She allows me to fill my makeup bag with her cookies. Did you like our sweet makeup ideas? Then write in your comments which weird makeup idea you will use. Will you make a cupcake EOS? Hide your concealer in a macaroon? Or maybe you will do bright candy makeup. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new sweet ideas on the Troom Troom channel.